Greetings. My name is Sarah Diamond, and I am the Director of Legacy Giving with the Kansas Area United Methodist Foundation. And today I'm going to spend just a few minutes with you discussing with you the importance of having an estate plan in place and the dangers associated with not having an estate plan in place. So you might ask the question, why do I even need an estate plan? So the first reason is to avoid probate. So probate is the process of validating a deceased person's will and placing a value on their assets, paying their final bills and taxes, and distributing the remainder to their beneficiaries. The next reason is to reduce estate taxes, so the significant loss of one's estate to the payment of state and federal taxes or state inheritance taxes is a great motivator to have an estate plan in place. The next reason is to simply avoid chaos. So many folks seek the advice of an estate planning attorney after personally experiencing a family member or someone they know or a business partner have undesirable outcomes as a result of their death because they do not have an estate plan in place. The next reason is to protect your beneficiaries. So there are generally two main reasons why people put an estate plan in place to protect their beneficiaries. The first being to protect their minor children, so their children, and also to protect adult beneficiaries from making poor decisions. The next reason is to protect your assets. So asset protection planning has become a significant reason why folks, including those who already have an estate plan, decide to meet with an estate planning attorney so they can make sure that all of their assets are protected should something happen to them. Now I'm going to share with you, so what are some reasons why people choose not to have an estate plan in place? So, life can just simply get in the way. People are busy, they think they're too young, nothing's going to happen to me for a long time, I don't own anything, but we know life can change, and life can change when we're not anticipating it to. So it's very important that your beneficiaries and your assets are protected should something happen to you. Another reason is simply emotional related reasons. It can be a very sensitive topic to talk about, much less to think about. But it's very important that you have a plan in place. So if you have a plan in place, do you need to update it? So the answer is yes, and it's a good idea to review your estate plan every 5 years. Things you create, you add assets, you may have more children during that time, you may accumulate more assets or more things than you've realized, so it's a good idea to review that every 5 years or upon any significant changes. So if it's less than 5 years and you've had more children or you bought and sold your home, it might be a good idea to review that with your estate planning attorney. I hope this information that I've shared with you today has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to learn more about, we'd be honored to address them and serve you. Please connect with us, and I wish you all the best and safe and good health during this time.